Hello everyone, welcome back. We're out here on the golf course today, change of scenery. We're out here in the bunker on the first. So today we are doing bunkers. We're with Phil. All right, mate?
Yep, so.
Let's get into it. Yep. Coming out quite low, aren't they?
Yeah.
What loft is that, 56?
55 this.
Okay.
I
Hey.
60 in the bag.
Man of my own art, 55 degree.
But this one's a bit more...
Is it an actual 55 degree as well?
Yeah, I think so. Sandwich came with the set. So...
Nice. Got you.
Bit fat.
Mm-hmm.
Played at Sand Hill a couple of weeks ago.
All right.
And, is it the 17th? It's the short par 4.
Yeah.
I drove it into the green side bunker, and the green side bunker's GUR, so just you have to put it behind the bunker, but I chipped over the bunker, knocked it in for a birdie.
Mint. Lovely. That's a good one. Yeah, so what we're seeing at the minute is very square club face to start with, so not exposing bounce, de-lofting a little bit if anything. As we're taking it back, we've got a very wide takeaway, which would often be associated with like drives. With this kind of shot, a specialist shot, a bunker shot, I think we need to be hinging it a little bit earlier. So what this does is it adds loft to the golf club, it opens the face a little bit and it exposes the bounce. Bounce is the most crucial element in all of this. So we're going to have a little bit more of a wrist hinge on the way back. We'll try and get that club a bit more vertical, and the game from there is to dump those angles. So again, we'll see bounce sliding underneath the golf ball. We'll take sand out, ball comes out with it, and we'll hit some fluffier type shots. So I'll give it a go. We need to see slightly more twisted face open, a bit more of a hinge, and then dump those angles. Feel as though club head is overtaking hands, and we get that kind of thing going on. So we'll give one a go. So we see a lot higher in flight. The few shots that we hit before was a little bit low, weren't they? Some come out quite spinny, but that's because we've not got a lot of loft, not exposing that much bounce. I'll try my best to simulate one of them, but I can't promise it'll be good. So square face, not much wrist hinge, low, punchy. Very similar to flights that we got, really, weren't it? So This is his mission now. I feel like from this position where we are hinging it a bit more, keeping loft on the golf club, sliding it underneath, will only have a little bit more success. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what this will do, it'll change the pattern of how we're interacting with this sand. So if we go leading edge and we dig, we see that we get slightly steeper divots. We see a lot of sand gather up that face, and like I just explained to Phil off camera, the margin for error is a lot smaller than if we were to open that face up, feel as though it fudges and skims more that way. Yeah, you just alluded to, you did a beautiful shot there that we didn't get on camera, unfortunately. But you said in that one, it's a different feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's more of a thud and a skim as opposed to a dig with that leading edge, isn't it? So,
it is.
Cracking start. Right, just had a bit of a change in scenery. So we're just at the same, still first hole, bit of a different bunker. Superb changes straight off the bat. Next part of the lesson, we're going to talk about a bit more variety. So how to heighten shots, lower shots, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so far, very good. Right, so something super interesting that I think is people are becoming more aware of it nowadays. What we just noticed with yourself there, Phil, is that you tend to open club face, aim body right. You have a setup where the handle is slightly lower though. What more people need to realise is that as soon as you lower the handle, you effectively get that loft pointing further left. So, you know, by changing the lie angle of that.
Yeah.
So because you've got a really good bunker setup in the sense where you do get a little bit lower, you lower the handle, there isn't as much need for you to aim left.
Right, okay.
So they talk about this linear bunker shot where you can aim like square, open the face and lower the handle. That then gets the handle, the loft on the golf club pointing towards that target. So I just noticed that we kind of pulled a couple.
Yeah.
Just with those old ideas of aiming left, don't really need to anymore. You can still go fraction left if it helps. But you can see then that my ball started right despite me lowering that handle. So give a few goes.
Right.
So again, aim square, body aim square. That's it, just lower that handle. There you go. Nice. Just pitched it a little bit too far. Better shot again though. Right, variation time. So the more eagle-eyed of you will see that I've put a bucket out there just on the front of the green. So this shot is it's one that requires a higher descent, higher launch, softer landing, all that kind of stuff. So we'll be playing it slightly different to what we have those. And we'll kind of talk you through how we're going to go about doing that. So what I think a lot of people do in this instance is take speed out, whereas I'd always encourage you to keep speed in. Main thing that I change in order to get that ball out higher and landing a little bit quicker is I accentuate that release idea. So I really feel as though I'm adding as much loft as I possibly can. So that race that I always talk about of handle and head, I feel as though head's just really like ripping past it at that point. So
Right.
Loads of loft on, you need to keep the speed up because your speed will give you spin and hopefully get a nice high soft landing. So let's give it a go. So again, same ideas as hinging it and then really overtaking with the hands. Opens that nice and high, stops nice and quick. Delighted with that one. Just out of curiosity, I'm just going to see how high I can.
Okay.
So this again, it's just me going like that more. Showing off now. No one likes to show off. Okay, right, still I just had a couple that's carried a little bit too far for this like specialist type shot that we're hitting right now. So what I want you to do, set up like you normally would. Right, so can we see how that face is still pretty square? So here's what I want you to do, mate. I want you to take your hands off. That's it, yeah. So, hands off, yeah. I'm going to twist this open and lower that handle. So I want you to get in around that. So if you have to change your body to do so, that's it. There we go. The same feeling. Hinge it and then dump it. Look at that. High, spinning. Oh, beautiful. Right, hold it there. Hold it right there. We're going to do a couple of long ones to finish. Would you go for a long bunker shot with a 60-degree wedge,
No.
or what's your first thought? So we have got, I would say, a 30-yard bunker shot here, but we're going to play for more 40, so we're going to aim more back of the green in that region there. What club would you be thinking for this kind of shot?
Well, that's 55. This is 60. I've got a 52. I'll probably hit that.
Yeah, I mean, I would even be tempted to go pitching wedge.
Right.
I'm just
pitching wedge is 45.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but if we're playing it in the same way, we're using the same technique, we'll still get the similar amount of success. We're just changing loft, really. That's all. So, and irons do tend to have more bounce the less loft that you go. So them technique changes that we spoke about earlier. This is the only thing that I really need you to think about. The club going lesser in loft. Does that make sense? Lesser in loft? I feel like it does. Going down in loft will help us achieve it just going a little bit further, that's all.
Right.
So same setup, same technique, same swing length. I still want you to hinge it and then dump it. But just because we've got less loft now, it's going to be a little bit easier for us to get it further up that way. Yeah?
Yep. Spot on.
Easy, isn't it? Challenge to finish. So we'll do one shot each, nearest the pin. Pick any club you want. Only proviso is we can't use the same club. So you have first pick in the bag, and then I get to pick what you don't. Weapons have been selected. Phil's got 52. I've got 55. So let's see how we get on. Don't put too much pressure on you, Sam. You've hit that many good shots today that this is just a bit of a party piece. Ooh, lucky. Go on, have another go.
Yeah, we'll edit that one out.
Depends how good this one is. Brilliant. Well, that's going to be hard to beat. Oh, just ran on a fraction. Just looking at that first one, I know that we delivered club into sand probably a fraction back, but look at depth of divot as well.
Yeah.
Could have still been a little bit steep, so make sure that we're still doing that release type thing.
Right. Ooh.
What are these wedges? So how are we feeling then, mate? More confident now?
Yeah, a lot more confident. That's totally different feeling. The big hinging of the wrists and dumping it. Like you say, I was more or less approaching it just like a normal shot before, and it's an even more exaggerated feeling than the feeling that I use when I'm pitching.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, can't argue with the results there. They look pretty decent.
Superb.
So hopefully I can set that on the course.
Good stuff, mate. Yeah, can't see why not. So there you go. That was bunkers with Phil. Hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we have making it. Do the usuals: like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Laters.